Hi everyone, this is Brad. I'm going to show you 2 quick ways that you can share YouTube video or even for yourself. Make sure that the ad does not show up. So we have a video here. Here's the link. Now I'm opening up a new tab. What I'm going to do though is after the watch, I'm just going to put an underscore and then pop up, then hit enter. So you could just copy this right here. And you're going to see it comes up in full screen and you can press play and there's no ads. The other way to do it, same thing, you have it here, but after the youtube.com, take all this out until you get to the P there, so after the equals. And what you want to do, I'm just going to take this out here, and we're going to go ahead and, again, after slash or embed, and then you want to do another slash, and same thing comes up again. So those 2 ways are 2 ways, and you can go ahead, copy this, and I'll show you that it works. Let's go into an incognito window, paste it in, and there you have it with no ads, which is great for sharing it with your students or with others. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.